So, as part of our mission to speed up the adoption of today's technologies, one of the things we have to focus on is the audience that we've talked about already, but it's also how you access the audience. And one of the biggest challenges we've got in our modern world is the number of media, the number of channels to get to your audience. You know, we all LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram. Really, I could sit here for hours. Reddit, Medium. There's no end of the lists. Um, and we all have got our favorite way of accessing content, accessing new information. So that's the starting point. But then we've all got our own way of digesting the content. So some of us like to watch videos, some of us like to download a PDF, some of us like to get a newsletter, some of us like to kind of read an excerpt. You know, multiply the number of channels by the number of content media you have to create, and that just complexifies the whole. That's my great word for today. Complexifies, but that actually makes it super complicated to get to your audience because you get multiple audience members, everyone from the decision maker through to the influencers, through to the advisors. Each of them needs to access the content through their preferred channel and find it through their way, and they need to access it and digest it in a format that suits their behaviors, their patterns. So for anyone getting a message about what your technology can do and how it can solve today's business problems, you have to get through this layer of multiple audiences, multiple channels to that audience, and multiple ways of actually that audience digesting your content just to understand your message. And with the beacons, we just make it super simple to cut through all of that in one simple 30-minute video that we then parcel out in every single channel, in every single format, and get it to your audience. But whether you do it with us or do it yourself, this is the challenge you have to get through: is these multiple audiences, multiple channels, and growing number of channels and number of different formats to digest that content. If you crack that, then you get to your audience a lot faster.